This week's Magic Monday is shadow art. All you will need is a flashlight and some paper. Take a look at some of these examples and see if you can figure out what kind of animal they may be. You think you got them all right? Let's go back and see. This one can be a dog, a fox, or a wolf. Here is how you position your hands to make the shadow. This one can be a bird or a butterfly, and this is how you make it. This one is easy. It's definitely a snail. All you have to do is hold your hands like this. Let's take a look at some more examples of shadows you can make with your hands. Pause the video and try these out. Shadow puppets can be made with paper as well. For example, a star, a frog, and even dinosaurs. Have fun!